Nisueng ba Sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko namchaksoa ang Alicia A Sangma na simang na dali Koborang ko para katinga katsa bichungrang MDA Sorkari ko opposition rang matnanganga Asamoni Meghalaya na drugs padang pa kulma KGCLF rang thokbimong e isolobi ani ko dakanga chibung pa Koborang MDA Sorkari adok ni mandirang na simsa kija arubi chakija gpa Sorkari ene opposition chief whip George Billing do matnanganga Skruba salo George Billing do duk mane dongeng gpa ski gparang ko jingjingat gpa biaponari ang igrongnya NPP ni chalai gpa MDA Sorkari adok ni skia mangwa mandirang ni khosa ko bul jakhale matnanganga ene George Billing do agananga ha Brisiba salong ang gamen obosani gamen wa thani duk ani ko parakatanga arwaya contractual teacher ang na chakani ko agananga ha Chinga party nge yo obosani gamen rakhalin matnanganga aro absen sumayon yo obosani asel ski gaparang ni nokni mandirang na pisarang jemangani obosani asel logisikni aro beni nikani ko aro sakna ko matna wamang na khasachaka ni agananga ha Sorkari nagok aro kumongjok wama mamang dakchakani ko yeski gaparang no jenga aro Sorkari adok ni mandirang na simsakcha ni George Billing do matnanganga ha Home Minister, Education Minister, aro Chief Minister yo obosani gamen jakud e teacherang ni gamen chanchi khan gata agananga ha
Congress side, we have come to express our solidarity and support to the contractual teachers who in fact yesterday have gone to a very tormenting situation. In fact, it was really very shocking to see that the teachers have been tear gassed and at the same time being suppressed in a peaceful march for their rights and livelihoods. As a party, we strongly condemn the incident. At the same time, our heart goes out to the families and all to the teachers, the women and the children who have been gravely affected through shock and also to the physical bruises that they have suffered during the incident. At the same time, we also see that the government has really turned deaf and dumb. At the same time, not also extending any kind of support or help to the teachers who have been suddenly taken away or whose bread and butter has been taken away by the government due to their lack of sensitivity and lack of care for the citizens of the state. As a party, we express our solidarity with the teachers as we have done in the past and continue to do so. But at the same time, this shocking incident demands that the Home Minister and Education Minister comes forward and expresses his stand, and also the Chief Minister should express his stand as to what the government plans to do with the teacher.
Ripoy aja ni police rang skruba salo drugs badang kaparang kurut maha. Miasa saksa aru michik saksa asamoni Meghalaya na drugs badang na raanginga ene police rang khobor ko matsuha aru wamang berni hato am sandiani ko daksuha. Wamang salo chisa athabaji mang asam ni gari number AS01 Z8255 ko ning take am sandiani ko dakaro container ge ebri o heroin ko manaha. Wamang sotpri bonga point khola chisa gram heroin ko manaha ro mobile phone ge gini ko manaha. Wamang ni kosa ko case ko sekata ha. Scuba Salo Khasi Joint Christian Leaders Forum Shillong Songjinma o Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act kuragal china apsan thongbimonge isolo biani ko takanga ha wamang ya act kuragal china jingjingata ni rangko onga chande baya act kuragal china ta chinga adok ni sorkari na bichak khenga ne KGCFL ni Secretary Edwin H Kharkongor parakatanga ha adoko kasino ko thariani gamen dongthonga ta ha ne agan gen chimoba dongthonga gata nukhuja ne bawa agan tapanga ha uni gamen chinga da alwa adok ni namgani na aro anchini sakanti ni namgani na nokuba isolo bitna gata thombi monga ha enewa parakatanga ha yandalna khobrong a nisuenga ba sakanti kun methela